Hey guys, so today has been it's just been a really cool week. We went to the barbecue expo and hung out and met a lot of cool people and saw some really cool grilling equipment. Now we're back at the house and we're just hanging out and enjoying ourselves.
I live 3 minutes away from them and I had to come 3,000 miles to try this.
I've got a bunch of YouTubers here today. Harry Sue's here, Greg Mervich from Ballistic BBQ's here, T-Roy Cooks is here. James was supposed to make it, but he wasn't able to make it last minute. We miss you, James. I'm sorry you couldn't make it, but Chris from... Hey. Look at this guy. He made it.
Howdy, everybody. Old Theodore.
So we got a lot of stuff going on, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's check it out. All right, Troy, what you making for us today?
Crawfish etouffee, man. Old Greg from Ballistic BBQ wanted me to do a Cajun dish for him.
And this is what we're doing?
That's what we're doing.
What goes into an etouffee? It's like right here, it looks like you're cooking invisible crawfish.
Well, you can put pretty much, crab, shrimp, crawfish, whatever you want in it. But you have to start out with a roux, man. So I got a little flour, a little oil, a little butter in here. And some people just use all butter and flour, equal parts. But butter's really, really rich. So I cut half of the butter out and add a little bit of canola or vegetable oil. So equal parts, some kind of fat and flour, all-purpose flour. And we're just getting it to like a peanut butter color for the etouffee. And if you were doing a gumbo, you'd want to take it to like a dark chocolate color.
Okay. So how long does it usually do to get smoke?
It's hot.
Oh, is it?
And the smoke burning my eyes. Yeah, I'm cooking on the Santa Maria grill from Gabby's Grill here, man.
Do you recognize that Santa Maria grill? I mean, is that something you've seen before?
It looks really familiar. I think I saw my fingerprints on it.
Look, for y'all that don't know, T-Roy gave me that. All right, man, I can't wait to see this.
It's gonna be good. Once the roux is the right color and it's getting there, so I want a peanut butter color and it's right close to getting there. Once that happens, I've got my Cajun Trinity right here to your left, Justin.
Yep.
Onions, bell pepper, and celery. Dig down here, you can see some celery under there.
Yep.
And bell pepper and onion. We're gonna get the translucent onions going, maybe 5 minutes. It's gonna cool the roux down, stop it from cooking, and then we're gonna add some chicken stock. I wish I had some seafood stock since it's gonna be the crawfish etouffee. Smoke's getting to me, yeah. Cooking's fun, y'all. Can you see my eyes water?
A little bit.
So anyway, I'm gonna cook the Trinity down, and then we're going to add some chicken stock, water, let it cook for let the flavors mingle for about 30-45 minutes, and then we're going to add the seafood, the crawfish. But you could also add shrimp or crab, whatever you want.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it's going to be fantastic.
Thanks, buddy.
You bet.
All right, we got Mr. Greg Mervich here with Ballistic BBQ. He's cooking something for us today. What you got for us, Greg?
Go figure. I'm cooking hamburgers. That's what I'm known for, I guess. So that's what I'm cooking.
Totally. What burger you got?
I have got. It's one of my all-time favorite burgers. People are always asking, and honestly, right now, this is my favorite. It's the peanut butter burger. It's a copycat I did out of a restaurant. Again, I want to say Easton, Pennsylvania, called Two Rivers Brewery, and this burger was just fantastic on so many levels.
Can you describe it a little bit?
It's on brioche buns. The bottom bun has a little thin layer of creamy peanut butter spread, some nice crispy peanut brittle powder that I made, sprinkled on top of the peanut butter, the 80-20 patties laid on top of that, and they have melted white cheddar cheese, some kind of pickly kind of red onion on top of that we did inside the house, and then a really nice chili gastrique that has a lot of citrus in it, so it's got acid. It's just, again, once you bite into this thing, it's crazy things start happening.
I remember the video you did on this. I'm so excited. I think it's my favorite one that you've done.
I was honestly so impressed with the layers. And again, I'm not taking credit for creating this burger. It was a chef, an executive chef out of Two Rivers. But I did a lot of kind of reverse engineering on it, and he actually helped me out with some of the stuff. He gave me a few little insider tips, I guess. But yeah, this is honestly, it's a killer burger.
Oh, I can't wait. Thanks, Greg. All right, now let's see what's going over here with Chris. This is Chris from Get Out and Grill, formerly known as Mother's Barbecue. Chris has got something special, I think. What you got, man?
What I got here is some Chipotle cherry lollipop chicken legs. So we got some chicken legs that we French boned, and we got them smoking with some of Harry Sue's chicken rub. And then off to the side over here, we have some Chipotle cherry barbecue sauce that I came up one day a couple years ago when I was doing a video with DJ Barbecue. I had to whip something up. This is what I came up with. Everybody loved it. Greg from Ballistic BBQ requested that I make this today, so that's what we're doing.
I'm sure shoot you and you shoot me, man.
Okay. So Harry, what are you cooking for us today?
Today we're going to go for a crazy ass Harry recipe. So we have several YouTubers here. They're all making different components, and I'm gonna steal an ingredient from each of the YouTubers and create a concoction with some pasta. What do you call Troy is making gumbo. He's got some
Etouffee.
etouffee, and I'm sorry, he's making etouffee. I stole a bell pepper, stole some celery from him, and I'm gonna steal some of his crawfish. Greg's making some burgers. I'm gonna steal his beef and steal some of that peanut butter to make kind of like a pad thai type of sauce with a little bit of tamarind flavors in it. I think Chris is making a lollipop chicken, and we're gonna steal some of the chicken to put into the noodles. We're making noodles from fresh. We're making fresh egg noodles with the flour and the eggs I stole from your pantry and your refrigerator.
Well, that's kind of a tradition now.
It's tradition
Like,
now.
Harry
Whenever I
makes a
come to
pantry.
his home, I've got to go into his pantry and steal his stuff.
Hey, you just wait
And-
till we get to your pantry.
Okay, yes, you come to my house and you are welcome to use everything.
So here we have Dave Parrish of Adrenaline BBQ. He's working for Harry now, which is nice of him. Harry,
This is
Dave.
my this is my new bread rolling position.
Yes, it's the bread rolling
So
position.
Dave's got a YouTube channel. I've noticed your views picked up quite a bit about 2 or 3 years ago. What was the secret behind that?
Let's see, 2 or 3 years ago. I can't. There's nothing really memorable.
Nothing memorable about it?
Nothing memorable. 2 or 3 years ago. I mean,
yeah, it was
what year was that? 20.
I don't know, maybe 2016, late 2016, something like that.
Hang on, paper towel.
I don't know, you brought in a lot of eye candy, I noticed.
Oh, that Justin guy.
That Justin
yeah,
guy
that Justin
popped
guy.
in.
You know what? He was good. He was good for us.
Unprecedented
So-
growth, I noticed on your channel. Yeah. Boy, that worked out great.
You know, all kidding aside, I think some of your videos have the most views of anything on my channel. Actually, you have the most views because the steak video we did
Is that over 1 million?
It's not over 1 million yet, but it's probably going to be. It's around 900.
Oh, wow.
So yeah.
Well, you're welcome. Wait, did you say thank you?
I think yes. I think I said thank you a couple of times. Yeah. I mean, it'll clearly be in the edits after you get done with it,
Yeah, I'll make-
regardless.
This is butter from Texas Longhorn cattle.
No less.
You can tell the butter's just a little bit bigger
It's a little bigger, better butter,
because everything's bigger in Texas.
and a little better.
Even the butter.
Better, better, better.
All right, Greg, of all your videos, you've been making videos for what, 8 years? What are your favorites?
That's a tough one. I am proud of the meat glue video just simply because it went pretty crazy viral. All right, before we start, I need to tell you I am in no way an advocate of meat glue, also known as transglutaminase. But I think we all need to have a kind of a conversation, and we need to know what we're eating and, more importantly, what our kids are eating.
That was a good day, wasn't it?
It was a really, really, really good day.
So was that your first viral video?
Yes, my first truly viral video, and
Okay.
it hit like 86,000 views in 20 minutes. It was, yeah.
Wow. So how did you find out about it? Did you just start getting pinged for
No, I just went to check how my video was doing, and it actually scared me when I saw how it was doing. I thought something's wrong here. It's not my normal. And then I started getting blasted, like emails, crazy emails from. I got an email from the vice president of the North American Meat Association. Not happy, actually.
Was he not?
And then I got from a magazine in the UK that wanted to do a story on it, and then a TV show in America that wanted to do a story on it, and it was exciting. I wish
That's awesome.
I wish that happened more often.
Yeah, no doubt. How long did that ride last?
It was going pumping views for about a good week, and then all of a sudden it crashed. It just went back to my norm. But then it spiked up again, probably 3 weeks later, and every once in a while it kind of comes up in spurts. But,
Does it?
yeah.
And so it's still up.
It is still up.
All right, I'll put a link to that in the description box.
Thank you.
That's cool.
Appreciate that.
Sure, no problem.
What do you call your grandma again?
Mama Jane.
Mama Jane. Looks like Mama Jane would be happy.
Oh yeah, she would be.
Oh, she'll see this.
She'd be pigging out.
Mama Jean loves me.
And she does actually.
I want to meet Mama
And look,
Jane.
You should, yeah, me too.
when you can tell how thick it is because I'm stirring, and it stops almost immediately.
Oh, wow,
See?
yeah.
Yeah. If it were loose like a gumbo, it would keep swirling. So, about 5 minutes, we'll be back.
That was a good Cajun tip right there.
Yeah, man.
I like it.
Crawfish in there, boys. There we go. Throw a little touch of parsley right on the top of there. Sprinkles. There you go.
Absolutely.
Dig
All
in.
right, you are the cook. So go grab a bite. You do first bite, first tasting.
Oh,
Pressure.
no. Pressure, pressure.
Pressure, pressure.
Gotta make sure you get some crawfish in there. And a lot of that gravy. A lot of that étouffée right there. I hate eating hot stuff. Oh, that's jamming.
Yeah, man.
I like that.
It's like you made it yourself.
All right, our turn.
I know. That turned out great. Yeah, I like that.
Gonna try out one of Chris's chicken lollipops.
Good.
Do I have something on my lips?
I'm not sure.
No, man, you're
No,
good.
no,
You're
you
good.
look fine. You look fine.
You got it.
You got it.
Yeah, it's good. Really good. Good old-fashioned
Peanut butter.
peanut butter, thin layer.
Thin layer of peanut
This
butter.
is what your mama would make you. Now burger down.
Burger down. Absolutely beautiful.
Coated these in kosher salt.
So salt cure.
Yeah, salt cured.
Any sugar in
And
there?
then I rinsed it off completely. Covered them in lemon juice and sugar.
Sugar.
This actually, I think this turned out better color-wise than on my video, and the texture is what I wanted in my video.
I know.
Justin?
I'm just trying to think of things to say. I'm so excited. This is gonna be
Well,
so
I hope
good.
you like it.
This is the video that made my mouth water while I was watching it. I mean, all
Do
your
the
videos
haunch
do that.
thing.
Huh?
Whatever
Yeah.
Is it good?
Really good.
All right, the peanut butter burger was absolutely fabulous.
Yes.
Reminded me of flavors of Thailand, where you have that satay sauce with the peanut, a little bit of spiciness, and that kind of tangy crunch from the pickled onions. That was absolutely fantastic. Probably one of the best burgers I've eaten, period. Nice job, Greg.
Okay guys, that's my video. I gotta apologize to Harry Sue. I did not get any footage of his pasta dish that he made, but there's a good reason for that. Like when he finished it, we all sat down to eat and I forgot to film, and the reason I forgot to film is it was so daggum good. We were sitting around, me and Chris were talking about it, we're like, I cannot believe he made this out of just crap he found laying around while we were cooking. I mean, he's very, very creative, and I can see why he loves to do this type of raid the pantry thing, because he's just got skills. It was amazing. It was really good pasta. Thank you. Thank you to the guys who came over. I gotta tell you, this YouTube thing, thanks to you guys, the subscribers, it is very surreal to be in this world where people I used to watch on TV and on YouTube are now like really good friends of mine, and I owe it all to you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys being here. Now remember, this is part of a playlist. I have a playlist called the Hearth Patio HPBExpo. It's hard to say. I'll put a link to that in the corner. You can check that out, where I did a review of the new Slow and Sear Kamado, the Blaze Kamado, and the Beefer, where I got to meet Bo Jackson, which is really, really cool. If you guys want to check that out, just click here. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. My wife is going to invite you back, Chris. Good dude.
I've been trained well with mine, so always wash what you use.
Yeah, keep working on it.